Hi everybody, now we'll have a look at one of my favorite plots. Let's start from my flows and select the one that I already created called the tree plot. Once we're here, we'll upload our data. In this case, this is called tree plot sample data. Once that it's uploaded and enriched, we can jump directly into the plot dashboard. Here, I'm looking, of course, for the tree plot. Here it is, I found it and I select it. I select the data that I want to use for this plot, and now I'm prompted with selected and different paths that I want to analyze in this case. Here is the hierarchy, as usual, different levels. I'll add level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. Here we have all of our levels and also the value column, which is very important. This looks nice, but we can do better. For instance, I want to change the orientation, and I think the right to left works very good, but the node size is still too big. I want it smaller. Here I can now create the plot. Finally, our beautiful plot is created, but to get even a better overview, I can just hide the legend, and here it is. It's ready for export. Thanks for watching.